Students, this is Lata Narwani from Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Children, we are doing lesson carbon and its compounds. So today we will be discussing some important topics of carbon. So our first topic is unique nature of carbon. Now, the unique nature of carbon, that why it is so much reactive and why does it form so many compounds, is attributed to some important properties of carbon, which are as follows. First is tendency to form carbon-carbon bond. This property is also called catenation. Carbon has a unique property to form bonds with other carbon atoms. This property of forming bonds with other atoms of same element is called catenation. You can see here carbon forming bond with another carbon, again forming bond again, and so on. This property is also called self-linking property. Carbon has the maximum tendency for catenation among all the atoms known, and it forms very strong carbon-carbon bonds. The chains formed in this manner can extend up to 20, 30 or even more carbon atoms. Various types of chains can be formed. Carbon can form straight chain compounds, branched chain compounds, open ring structure compounds, closed ring structure compounds. So here, simple chain we have seen above, branched chain we can see like this, ring structure is like this, benzene, etc. So many types of chains are formed by carbon due to its catenation property. Now second important or unique property of carbon is its tetravalency. Since atomic number of carbon is 6, it has 6 electrons in its orbits. The electronic configuration is 2, 4. So it has 4 valence electrons and therefore its valency is 4. It forms 4 covalent bonds with itself or other elements like hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, etc. Carbon forms very strong and stable bonds with these atoms. For example, methane, carbon dioxide, ethane, CH3Cl, etc. Third property of carbon is tendency to form multiple bonds. Carbon can also form double or triple bonds besides single bonds among themselves. This is done by sharing more than one electron pair. Now here are some compounds given. First is ethane, second is ethene, and third is ethyne. We can see ethane formula is C2H6. It has single bonds. All single bonds are there. Ethene with formula C2H4 has one double bond. Then ethyne C2H2 has one triple bond. Means if one pair of sharing of electrons is there between carbon-carbon, single bond is formed. If two pair of sharing is there, two bonds are formed, double bond is formed. If three pair of electrons are shared, then triple bonds are formed. Compounds containing single bonds are called saturated compounds, whereas compounds containing double or triple bonds are called unsaturated compounds. So this is an important feature of carbon which makes it very unique. Fourth property of carbon is small size of carbon atom. The size of carbon atom is small, so it can easily form strong bonds with other atoms. The reason behind this is that being small, the nucleus of carbon can hold the shared pair of electrons very efficiently. Large size of any atom causes hindrance in bond formation. So these were the all features which makes carbon as a unique element, and it forms numberless compounds. Our next topic is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen. Types of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are of two types. One saturated and another is unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which have only single bonds. Unsaturated are those compounds which have single bonds plus double or triple bonds also. So examples of saturated compounds are alkanes, whereas examples of unsaturated compounds are alkenes and alkynes, which have double. Alkenes have double bond, whereas alkynes have triple bond. Next topic is homologous series. What is a homologous series? Let us see. A homologous series may be defined as a series of organic compounds having similar structures and similar chemical properties in which the successive members differ in their molecular formula by CH2 group. The members of the series are called homologues. Examples of homologous series are alkane series, alkene series, alkyne series, alcohol series, and there are many more series which are all homologous series. Now, characteristics of homologous series. There are various characteristics of homologous series. So let us see. First point is the members of any homologous series can be represented by the same general formula. Means there is a formula for writing any homologous series. For example, general formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. Second point is any two consecutive members differ in their molecular formula by CH2 group, that is one carbon and two hydrogen atoms. Let us see this difference. For example, in alkane series, first member is methane, formula is CH4. Second member is ethane, formula C2H6. So the difference between CH4 and C2H6, if we subtract, comes to be CH2. Similarly, third member is propane, C3H8. So the difference between third and second member, again if we subtract, it is CH2. So two successive members always differ by molecular formula CH2. Third characteristics feature of a homologous series is the difference in the molecular mass of two consecutive members is 14 units. Now, if molecular mass of CH4 is 12 plus 1 into 4, that is 16 units, then molecular mass of C2H6, the next member, ethane, is 2 into 12 plus 1 into 6, 24 plus 6, 30 units. Now, molecular mass of C3H8, third member, propane, is 3 into 12 plus 1 into 8, 36 plus 8, 44 units. So if we find the difference between the two members, so first and second member differ by 30 minus 16, it is 14 units. Again, if we find the difference between third member and the second member, 44 minus 30, again it is 14 units. So two successive members differ in their molecular mass by 14 units. Fourth property is all the members of a homologous series have similar chemical properties. This is because all the members have similar type of chemical structure. All alkanes will show similar properties. Means in a homologous series, because as the structure resembles, the chain structure resembles, so they show similar type of chemical properties. For example, alkane series, all the members ethane, methane, propane show similar properties. Alkene series, all members show similar properties. Alcohol series, all will show similar properties because structures are same. Now next point is fifth point. The members of a homologous series show a gradual change in their physical properties. means a gradual increase or decrease in physical properties can be seen. The physical properties may be the melting point, boiling point, density, solubility, etc. Generally, melting and boiling points go on increasing down the series as the length of the chain also goes on increasing. Means, like first member CH4, 1 carbon, then second member C2H4, 2 carbon, then third member C3H6, 3 carbons. So we can see that the length of the chain is going on increasing. So the melting and boiling points will also show a gradual increase as the chain is also going on increasing. Density will also go on increasing. Solubility goes on decreasing. So we can see a gradual change, increase or decrease in the physical properties of the consecutive members of a homologous series. Sixth point is all the members of a homologous series can be prepared by similar methods. For example, alkane series. General formula is CnH2n plus 2. So they all can be prepared by similar methods. These were the properties of a homologous series. Here are the general formula of three homologous series and their names given. So naming is given as such. First alkane series, second alkene series and third alkyne series. General formula for alkane CnH2n plus 2. For alkene is CnH2n. For alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Now how naming is done? For first member carbon 1 the name is given as meth. For carbon 2 name is given as eth. For 3 prop. For 4 but. For 5 pent. For 6 hex. Then for 7 hept. For 8 oct. For 9 non and for 10 dic. And then the suffix ane is added in this name if it is alkane series member, ene is added if it is alkene series member, and ine is added if it is alkyne series member. So let us see the naming. So in alkane series, first member is called meth plus ane, methane. Second is ethane, then propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. In case of alkene series, first member methene does not occur, so first member is taken as ethene, C2H4, then propene, butene, pentene, hexene, heptene, octene, nonene, decene. Then in alkyne series again first member with carbon 1 is not possible, does not exist. So first member becomes C2H2, ethyne, then propyne, butine, pentyne, hexyne, heptyne, octyne, nonine and decyne. So this way the naming is done of alkane, alkene and alkyne series. So children, this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.